As an upcoming content creator, one of the things that is going to kill your potential is perfection. Let me repeat that part for clarity's sake. Whenever you try to be perfect, when you're not perfect, you fail. Many of you listening to me right now, watching my video right now, you have shoot videos already. You have an archive of videos that you think they're not okay, they will not work. Let me tell you one thing that happened on this platform. You see this platform? You cannot tell what to work or what will not work. Just do your part. Leave the rest for God. What did I say? Do your part and leave the rest for God. So all those videos that you have shot and you say it was not perfect, it was not okay, just upload it. Just keep uploading your content. Keep uploading your content. So all those videos that you have, upload it. Don't wait for perfection. Whatever background you see, whatever content that you have, so far you have made the content and you think at that time you're making, edit it and upload. You cannot tell what will work on this platform. Sometimes you might kill your energy, shoot content, shoot video, and do all manners of what you've done. Guess what happened? The algorithm says you're going nowhere. And the one that you were just careless about it, you didn't even know what, you just do it. You just do it. And say, let me just upload. It might even be the one that people like most. And I want to tell you one truth. You see on this platform, people like things that you think they will not like. So, my advice for you right now is, if you have shot any video, you have any video in your clip, you have any clips that you have done already and you have not uploaded it, probably you think they are not okay. Of course, to you, those clips might not be okay. But to someone else, that might be the best clip. So just upload it. Don't worry. Forget about the excuse. Just make it and upload. Let the algorithm decide. Let the viewers decide. And then you'll be proud of yourself. If you think that this content is valuable, kindly like, follow, and share. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Because I'm coming up with more of it. I'm coming with more of it. Why don't you follow so they can learn more?